You know what's funny? Everybody says they want a better life, more money, better health, better relationship, less stress, more freedom. Very few people actually want to do the things that create those results. I don't mean to be controversial. People don't want success. They want to sit on the couch and take a pill and not sacrifice. You want to lose 50 pounds without changing what you eat. I get it. You want a 6-figure job without working nights and weekends and hustling, learning skills, take some risk. You want a great marriage without having difficult conversations or therapy or something else. You want confidence without doing the scary shit. I know, I did all that, every bit of it. I had a t-shirt, Mr. Excuses. Not really. I thought, I'm too tired, too old, don't have enough money, I'm an alcoholic, no time. And then one day I realized those excuses, they weren't protecting me. They were holding me back and putting me in prison. Nobody was coming to rescue me. Not the government, not my family. Some magical plan. If my life was going to change, I was going to have to change. It's when I started walking every day. It's when I changed how I ate. I quit blaming everybody else. That's when I started rebuilding my money, picked up a camera and I started shooting, telling my story, and millions of people have seen it. None of it was easy. Every little decision that I made, a little bit further away from the man I used to be. Here's what I know. Price of change is uncomfortable. Price of staying the same is almost always higher. 5 years from now, you can be grateful you started today, or you wished you had. Those are your two options. Stop asking whether it's going to be hard. Of course it's going to be hard. Start asking yourself something better. Is the life you're living now hard enough that you're finally ready to change? If you're done making excuses, maybe it's time to start and do something different. I am an accountability coach and I help people start over from scratch. In the last 2 years, I've lost 80 pounds. I went through a bankruptcy, rebuilt my finances. I found my wife after a 23-year marriage and being single for 10 years. I recreated myself. I went to my new wife and said, I'm gonna make a living on TikTok. I still laugh at it, but it's happening. My plans have completely changed. I reinvented myself so far from the person that I used to be. I am unrecognizable even to myself. The change that you want is on the other side of working your butt off. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you're following along, please type I'm in so I can see you.